If you've ever wanted to bring your ideas to life in 3D, today's vlog is for you. We are diving into the top 3 best 3D printing pens you can find on Amazon right now. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a serious maker, these picks will help you unlock your creativity. Let's jump right in. 1. Script 3D-P1 3D Printing Pen. First up, we have the Script 3D-P1 Printing Pen, a budget-friendly yet reliable choice for anyone exploring the world of 3D drawing. This pen comes with adjustable temperature and speed controls, giving you better precision depending on the filament type. It features an ergonomic lightweight design, perfect for long creative sessions without hand strain. Currently, it's priced affordably, making it an excellent entry point for beginners. Pros: easy to use, safe features like an anti-clog mechanism, and compatible with PLA and ABS filaments. Cons: the build feels a bit basic compared to premium pens, and it may take some practice to master smooth lines. Still, for the price, it's a fantastic starter tool. 2. 3 Doodler Start Plus Essentials Pen Set. Next, let's talk about the 3 Doodler Start Plus Essentials Activity Set, designed especially for kids and young creators. This pen uses eco-friendly, low-heat bioplastic filaments, making it super safe. No hot parts, no burns. It comes as a complete kit with filaments and activity guides, so kids can start building right out of the box. Priced in the mid-range, it's a fun, educational gift idea. Pros: kid-safe design, educational value, and a wide range of project ideas included. Cons: limited to its proprietary filament, so you can't experiment with ABS or PLA like adult pens. But for families and younger learners, it's hands down one of the safest and most fun 3D pens available. 3. 3 Doodler Create Plus 3D Printing Pen for Adults. Finally, for the more serious makers, we have the 3 Doodler Create Plus pen. This model is designed with adults, artists, and creators in mind. It features dual drive technology for smoother and more reliable extrusion, multiple temperature modes, and supports both PLA and ABS filaments. With its sleek aluminum body, it feels like a professional creative tool. Priced a bit higher than entry-level options, it's perfect for hobbyists or pros who want durability and versatility. Pros: professional-grade quality, versatile filament options, and smooth performance. Cons: slightly higher cost and a learning curve for new users. But if you are ready to take your 3D creations to the next level, this pen is a fantastic investment. And that wraps up our list of the top 3 best 3D printing pens. Whether you are starting out, shopping for a kid, or looking for a pro-level tool, there's something here for every type of creator. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative gear reviews.